I'm Luther, and it's my pleasure to welcome you to this special Teachers' Day conversation at 21 Case. Today, we have the honor of speaking with Miss Salome, our primary HR team. Her dedication, care, and guidance help our youngest learners grow, explore, and enjoy learning every day. Good morning, Ms. Salome, and thank you so much for joining us. We are excited to hear your thoughts, experiences, and advice on teaching and guiding learners.
Good morning, Hriday. Thank you so much for inviting me over. This is a pleasure.
Thank you. So I'll start with the questions.
Sure.
First of all, what inspired you to become a facilitator, and what do you enjoy most about guiding primary learners every day?
So Hriday, let me be very, very honest. So when I was young, I have a younger sister. So me and my sister, I used to teach her, I used to teach her math, I used to teach her English, I used to guide and support her. And then I realized, I have a passion for teaching. So that time, you have this pretend play. I used to really act like a teacher, and I really enjoyed it, being with her, teaching, and I used to mark her work. And this happened so that I also used to help my friends, so teach them. So I thought that, I have the gift for teaching. I'm so passionate. Why don't I try this, and why don't I become a facilitator, a teacher? So this is what really, really inspired me. My love for teaching, my love for learning. And I really, have that teaching. The love for teaching is still there. I'm really passionate, and I really feel that I learn from my learners. It's not that I just, as a facilitator, teach, but every single day is a new day where I learn from each and every one of you. And that makes my journey of teaching really special.
Wow, that's wonderful and very, very inspiring. And now let's move on to the second question. Can you share a memory from your own school days that still makes you smile and influences how you teach today?
Right. So Hriday, I used to be a very shy learner. I was very okay with my friends. I was very okay. Like I said, I used to love teaching. I used to love to express to my friends. But when it came to public speaking, that is where I used to, I used to be really confused. I used to feel very shy. I was not really good at opening up. So then I had a facilitator called Miss Mohini, and she said that, Salome, you have the caliber, you have the capacity to speak. Why don't you speak? And I go like, Miss, I'm really shy. I don't think that I can do this. And then there was a debate, and my teacher, Miss Mohini, she always used to encourage me. And then somehow I tried, I managed, and I beautifully did an elocution competition for which I stood first. So that still makes me smile. And I feel that, we need to overcome our shyness or whatever weaknesses we have. So my facilitator really helped me in overcoming my shyness and made me, participate. The participation really makes me smile. It is really special, and I really cherish that moment till this date.
Wow, that's wonderful. And this is, I think, the proof that nothing can be impossible, even if you think it is impossible. So now let's move on to the third question, which is, how do you help your primary learners feel more confident and excited about learning new things?
So I believe, first of all, it's having a happy classroom. Second of all, I give my learners the opportunity to speak. It's very important to speak. That as a facilitator, I would know what my learners feel. In my days, I was really shy But I think giving the learners the opportunity to speak their heart and to convey what they feel is really the key to understand what learners these days want. So communication, the patience, I think gives our learners the courage to be who they are.
Wow, that's very wonderful, and that is also proof why our class is so happy and engaging. Now let's move on to the fourth question, which is what is one lesson of value you hope every learner in your class carries with them as they grow?
I believe all my learners are very capable. They all learn, they all grow. But Hriday, I feel at times patience is really, really important. Being patient, being calm, and being sorted so that your work moves on, very easily. Not to get disheartened or not to be, stressed or worried. Being patient and calm is really the key to success. Everything will just fall in place, I feel. So being understanding, being patient, and learning about yourself is really important.
That's wonderful and very, very, very insightful. Thank you so much, Ms. Salome, for sharing your experiences, insights, and advice with us. Your dedication shows how facilitators inspire, guide, and make a lasting difference in the lives of learners. On behalf of all our learners and facilitators at 21K School, we wish you a very happy Teachers Day.
Thank you so much, Hriday. This really means a lot. Thank you for this opportunity to interact. Thank you so much.
Yeah, you're welcome, and thank you so much to you for coming here and giving us all such valuable advice.
Thank you, Hriday.
Thank you.